Hello dear student. Today start from the chapter number 8. Your chapter number 8 is mapping your way. Okay. And the last of this video, this chapter I already started. And this topic name is waiting for the parade. Okay. Now see is a very wonderful story about the waiting for a parade. While, while waiting for the parade, Kacha and some of his friends wonder where this parade and Kancha is carrying a newspaper in which the route of the parade is written. Okay. Now see the carefully. This route is already given to you. It will be Vijay Chowk. Next one is Rajpath, India Gate. There will be go the Tilak Mark. He will be BS, Jafar Mark, Subhash Mark, and the last one is a Red Fort. Okay. Now the story is what here will be Gacha and some friend is our wonder where the parade end and Gacha is our carrying about the newspaper in which the route of the parade is are already written to you. Okay, this is our route is already given to you. Now see the this is our map is already given to you. This is our children look at this map to see the parade route. Okay, now see this is our four sides are given. This is our north, west, east. Okay, now see start from this is our Red Fort. Okay, this is our Chandni Chowk Road, Jama Masjid. Okay, Rajghat, IG Stadium. It will be a Connaught Place. Okay, and the next one is Pragati Maidan and the Rashtrapati Bhavan and the National Stadium, Vijay Chowk. Okay, this is our road. This is our way. This is our route is already given to you. Okay, now see this is our route is already given. This is our Vijay Chowk. First one is start from the Vijay Chowk. Next one is Rajpath, and the third one is the India Gate. Next is the Tilak Mark. Next is the BS Jafar Mark, and next one is the Subhash Mark, and the next one is the Red Fort. By using the map is already given to you. Okay, now they start from what? This is our Vijay Chowk. Now see, this is our map has a Vijay Chowk is already given. Okay, by using this is our Vijay Chowk is already given to you. Next is Rajpath. This is our India Gate, Tilak Mark, BS Jafar Mark, and Subhash Mark, and the Red Fort. Okay, now they start from the next page, and one thing is very important is are given to you. Your thing is what? It will be scale is are given to you. It will be scale is what? It will be 2 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. Okay, now see this is a downward side. Okay, this is a scale. It will be 2 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. This is a scale is are given to you. By using the scale, we have to solve this the next one example because the next one example will come in the next page. Okay, now we'll start from the next page. So please, all the students listen carefully. Hey, see, that is the India Gate, and this is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. And the last previous map I already discussed to you. This is our that is the India Gate, and this is our map of the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, and this is our Kacha and this is our friend. Now to see the map. Okay. Now next one is my mother told me it is a 2 kilometer from the Vijay Chowk to India Gate. Okay, Kacha say that this my mother told me it is the 2 kilometer from the Vijay Chowk to India Gate. Okay, and next and the long road between this is a Rajpath, and on this map this is about the 4 centimeter. So this is a 4 centimeter on the map is the same as a 2 kilometer on the ground. Now see in the previous first page map I already discussed. This is our scale is are already given to you. Okay, by using the scale I already discussed, he will be 2 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. Okay, it means that on this map it is about the 4 centimeter. It means that so that this is a 4 centimeter on the map is the same as the 2 kilometer on the ground by using the scale. Why? Because by using the scale is already given 2 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. Now you have to consider it. Okay, it means that, let us guesses how many kilometer long Rajpath is. Okay, you are right. See, it is a written at the bottom of this map is already given to you. This is our what 2 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. Okay, and the previously I already discussing about the map. This is our 2 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. Okay, this is already discussed about the map. Here will be 2 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer, and definitely this is our 4 centimeter is equals to 2 kilometer. Okay, now see the next one question is what your next one question is Subhash Marg, Tilak Marg. Okay, now see by using the Subhash Marg and Tilak Marg we have to choose this is which one is the longest route. Here will be Tilak Marg is the longest route by using the map. Okay, and the next one question is what next one question is very important. Here will be if Rubia is coming from the Jama Masjid to join the parade, guesses which guesses about how far she will have to walk. He will be Rubia will have to walking about the 1 kilometer to join the parade. Okay, but why the 1 kilometer join the parade? By using the scale we have to measure it. Okay, by using the scale or ruler we have to measuring it. So how can we measuring it? By using the scale we have to the this is a centimeter scale. Definitely your answer will become in the 2 centimeter. By using the scale we have to measuring it. It will be Rubia is coming from the Jama Masjid to join the parade. It means that by using the scale we have to find out the Jama Masjid to parade ground. We have to measuring it. Definitely your answer will become in 2 centimeter. It means that your answer will become in 2 centimeter. Definitely here will be guesses about how to fast will have to walk. This is our Rubia will have to walk around about the 1 kilometer to join the parade. Next one is what the total route of the parade is about how long. Okay, the total route of the parade is about the 60 kilometer long. By using the scale we have to measuring it. Okay, by using the centimeter scale, by using the we have to measuring it. Okay, this is a so simple question. This is a very general things about the mapping your way. This is our chapter number 8 name is the mapping your way. Okay, I hope everyone student understood the this concept of the mapping your way. And the next topic we will start from the next page, next obvious video, and have a nice day.